Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Grab the original Oppo charger and a high-quality USB-C cable. Plug the charger straight into a wall outlet to ensure stable voltage. Once done, connect the cable to the phone firmly until you hear or see the charge indicator. Make sure case is off if it traps heat. Heat slows charging. Don't use PC USB or low-power adapters because they limit current and extend time. This first step sets correct power delivery for true fast charge. Now optimize the device. Put the phone in airplane mode to stop cellular and Wi-Fi activity. This reduces power draw and lets more current go to the battery. Make sure the screen is off or better yet power the phone down briefly if you can. Charging while off often completes faster. Close background apps and disable Bluetooth and GPS to remove parasitic load. By reducing demand, the charger can deliver higher net current to the battery, shortening overall charge time. Finish by monitoring charge behavior. Check the on-screen charger icon and phone temperature. If it runs very hot, unplug and let it cool because thermal throttling slows charging. If you notice slow current or no fast charge notification, swap to another known good original cable and adapter and clean the USB-C port of lint. Once the phone reaches about 80 to 90%, charging speed tapers, unplugging there gives the fastest useful top-up and better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.